Post Office Savings Bank is India's largest small savings network. Now, India Post introduces new ways to operate your Post Office Savings Bank accounts from home. Online banking and mobile banking facilities. With these facilities, basic Post Office Savings Bank transactions can easily be done 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and wherever a consumer wishes. Fast, efficient, and simple. After submitting the form at home branch, customers can activate the internet banking through the URL ebanking.indiapost.gov.in. With this latest facility, the account holders of POSB can view the summary of all their accounts opened in Post Office. They can check the available balance also. PPF account menu displays all your PPF accounts opened in Post Office. Savings account menu displays all your SP accounts opened in various post offices, and you can view the available balance. It also has options to take mini statement, transaction history, nominee details, and so on. All your RD and TD accounts opened in post offices can be viewed in this menu. Similarly, senior citizen savings accounts, MIS accounts, and Sukanya Samriddhi account opened in post offices can be viewed. You can also operate these accounts by just clicking transactions. DOP Internet Banking gives you the flexibility to transfer funds to self and third-party payee within DOP. Eligible subscription amount for the PPF account and a repayment of loan and interest can be made. By clicking this menu, eligible PPF amount can be withdrawn. Using this menu, deposits can be made to your RD accounts. Repayment can be made for the withdrawal taken from RD accounts. Deposits can be made to your SSA accounts simply and quickly. General Services will provide you inquiry facility and service requests. DOP Internet Banking provides an easy way to access your POSB accounts. Mobile banking can be activated by downloading India Post mobile banking app from Google Play Store. Using mobile banking, customers can request for RD and TD account opening. And also they can check account balance and details, transaction history, and also take mini statements. PPF, RD subscriptions can also made. Fund transfer between own savings accounts and other users' savings accounts within DOP can be done using mobile banking. For any queries, call 1800-425-2440 or email us on dopebanking@indiapost.gov.in.